Now we're going to demonstrate the Roger Inspiro, and this is the transmitter microphone that is part of your student's listening equipment. This is the microphone that you'll be wearing. First, you can see it's on the charger. It's switched off while it's on the charger. I'm now going to unplug it. And this is connected with a lanyard. You also have a belt clip option, which we'll show in a minute. But the lanyard is adjustable. You just press the back clip there and you can slide to the length that you prefer. You then place the lanyard over your neck. The microphone has a clip attached and you want to clip it about a hand's width away from your mouth, and then you can talk as you normally would. Okay, now I'm going to show you a very easy way where you can check to make sure the equipment is working. Now, when the student has their receivers attached to the hearing aids and you're wearing the microphone, you can ask an open-ended question. For example, I may ask the student, what did you have for lunch today? Or what is your favorite color? It's very important that you make sure you're away from the student, maybe turned away or in a separate room when you ask that question. Okay, and as you'll see, it's very easy to use. The on-off switch is at the top. When you slide it over, you'll see green. That indicates that the device is on. It just takes a few seconds to boot up. When you're using the microphone and you need to mute yourself, if you're having a discussion that the student doesn't need to hear, you just press the center button. You'll see there's a picture of a microphone on it. And then the line will go through the microphone icon indicating it is muted. To unmute it, you just press the button again. I said you also have the option of a belt clip if you choose. The lavalier just disconnects like that. A belt clip like this can be attached in its place and then clip onto your belt. To remove it, you just press the button in, the belt clip slides off. These also can be attached to a computer or any audio jack. If you look at the bottom next to the charging port, you'll see an audio jack. The student has a patch cable that can just be pushed into the audio jack and then will stream sound from the computer or any listening device. At the end of the day, when you take off the transmitter, you want to make sure you turn the transmitter off. It then needs to be charged for the next day. You see the charging port at the bottom. Simply line up the plug, plug it in, and it can charge overnight and throughout weekends.